What's up, guys? So this video is something that you know what, I should have did a long time ago. I thought I did. Going to my office. So basically I get emails all the time asking me the same questions. What should I start off with? You know, what either process should I do, or what machine should I get? So it's understandable, because when you're just starting to get the interest to start your own business, you don't want to mess up. You don't want to do it the wrong way. There's a bunch of different people telling you different things, you know, whether VLM's no good, or the other way around, hot water extraction's no good, or whether you should get a portable or you should go ahead and get a truck mount. There's reasons why most of us start out with a portable. Basically money. So I started out with a truck mount, or a portable, graduated into a truck mount. And would I trade my truck mount for a portable? No, I wouldn't. Yes, they come at a price, you know, but they're well worth it, the truck mounts. Portables will get you started. If all you have is enough money right now to get a portable, then get the portable. But I do have some suggestions for you. Actually, some very, very good advice. Do not start out with a portable, an entry-level portable, okay? Listen, no matter how old are you right now? Say you're 30 years old. Okay, you're thinking, now I'm just ready, I want to start my own business. You have $2,000 in the bank. You're ready to get the portable that is within your budget. What if I told you don't do that? Save. You're 30 years old. Can you wait another 6 months to save some more money and get a portable that is actually, you know, close to a truck mount, electronic portable? Okay, so it's going to be twice as much. But wouldn't you rather buy the right machine? Okay, if you're going to start out the portable way, buy the right machine, and not later on down the line, if you chose to start off with the entry-level portable, say, all right, well, this portable isn't going to do for what I want it to do. So now I need to either get a better portable unit, like an electronic truck mount. I call them electronic truck mounts because some of these portables you can actually leave in your van. You know, Mighty makes a great one. Optimum Floor Care. Wouldn't you rather have the electronic truck mount and upgrade to a truck mount if you wanted to upgrade? You can take that electronic truck mount and actually sell it for a decent amount of money. Or if you buy an entry-level truck mount, or an entry-level portable, and you decide, all right, well, this isn't going to do, I can't do tile with it, you know, I can only run 15, 20 feet of hose, 25, you know, which you need at least 50 if you're going to leave a portable at the front door. So now you just spent $2,000 on a portable. After you upgrade, you'll probably never use it again. You know, my first portable, my first quality portable, entry-level portable, but it was new when I bought it, it's sitting in the garage. I haven't used it in years. You know, I keep it there because maybe I got to do a hotel job, you know, and my truck mount hoses don't reach. So it's there, but I don't use it too often. So you just threw away $2,000. You're gonna have to sell it, but you're not gonna get that $2,000 back if you sell it. All right, and then you're gonna have to come up with a whole bunch more money. Or if you have credit, you can maybe jump into a truck mount or find a real good deal on a truck mount. But what I'm saying is, if you start out with a portable, save up and get a quality portable. Get one with pump in and pump out. Okay, that means you can hook your hose up to it and it's going to keep feeding water, just like a truck mount. That means the pump out is as the waste tank is filling, it's going to dispose of it. So you don't have to keep filling the tank or emptying the tank, stopping, which is wasting time, right? So with these electronic type truck mounts, like the Mighty, I think Escape or Light, I can't remember the name of it, but they're really, really popular. You know, you can leave it in your van and it does all that, you know, it does all that itself. So it's just like a truck mount. The only con versus a truck mount, the truck mount has a lot more vacuum. So it's going to leave the carpets drier. You're going to be able to move a lot faster with the wand, so jobs will go quicker. So, you know, there's pros and cons to everything, but if I was to lose it all again and choose truck mount or choose hot water extraction, I'd definitely get me the electronic truck mount. Matter of fact, I am considering, when I add another van, add in an electronic truck mount and just strictly use that for carpet. Now, granite, like the one from Optimum Floor Care, it's got 800 psi. You know, I can clean tile with it, really. But I wouldn't want to run no longer than 150 feet with the electronic truck mount type machine, because you lose vacuum, you know. And honestly, 90% of the jobs I do, 95% of the jobs I do, I never use over 150 foot of hose with my truck mount. So think about that. So there's an option, guys. If you want to go VLM, I mean, literally is the cheapest way you can start out and look professional. You know, you can start out with $1,200 with a decent machine. And I'm not talking the little Oryx, okay? You know, little Oryx are a good little tool to have, but you want to come across professional. If you don't come across professional, you're not going to get this returning customer. So what you want to do is turn your customers into clients. So yeah, you might get in there with your little Oryx, cleaning their carpets. They might like it, but odds of them calling you again, not as well as me coming in with my big old impressive truck mount or hoses just running in the house and they think it's a truck mount. You know, it's just not going to come across the same way. So think about this. If you get into VLM, getting either a 175, that's the cheapest way to get into it. They're only about $700-800. For a whole, everything you need to clean carpets, about $1,200. And Optimum Floor Care also has a kit for that. That actually worked with him and made 3 different kits. A VLM kit, $1,200, an entry level portable kit, and then a electronic truck mount kit. Well, the electronic truck mount has a heater. That's only, and a little bit more hose. That's the only difference it is from the entry level portable. The portable is the same as the electronic truck mount. So you're just paying more for the heater, and then the extra hoses, and then the tile wand to go with it. So another question: heat. Is heat a big deal? Heat helps, but it's not 100% necessary in most jobs. You know, warm water is just fine, even cold water. A lot of times I start my job, most of the time, I start cleaning without my water even hot. And then it starts heating up as I go. So your chemistry and agitation is going to really do the job. Heat helps, especially when you're dealing with grease, oily stuff, you know, a real trash carpet. But it might take you a little bit longer, but you don't need that steaming hot water, you know. Tap water is just fine. If you think about it, people who do VLM, they're not dependent on that hot water. They're dependent on the chemistry. So this is my advice for the guys thinking about getting into the business and want to really get the biggest bang out of their buck. Be a little patient. Just because you got $2,000 burning the hole in your hand, wait another couple months if you have, even 6 months. Turn that 2,000 into 4,000 or 6,000. That electronic truck mount package is right around $7,000. So if you came up with about $4,000, finance the rest, you'd have what, $50 a month payments? That's like quarter of a job. If you build your business the right way, you'll get that phone ringing. You know, I offer a course. The course is the course on steroids for carpet cleaning, for the carpet cleaning business. Now, more focuses on the business part of it. And then as far as the technical side, yes, there's a ton of that. So I'm going to show you exactly what I use on a day-to-day. Now, I'm not telling you to marry what I use, but if you know I'm using it from day to day, you see me doing this all the time on the videos, you see I got a great reputation. It works. So start out with that until you get to know the chemistry. And then venture off into whatever you want to do. You know, become a solution junkie like most of us. So, this is a little bit of advice for you guys. I'm going to have another video coming up I've been thinking about doing about the 5 things I learned not to do when starting a carpet cleaning business. So look out for that one. And that's it. Be a champion, all right? Like this guy up here. See you in the next one.